we're seeing you as a whole person. I think that speaks volumes to what you can do for families and for patients. My story in medicine began in high school, actually, so it's pretty early. And so I thought about religious life, teaching. I thought about a lot of things. I ended up finally settling on doing medicine and worked in a lab for about 3 years with rheumatoid arthritis, and then finally got into med school and went in. I'm looking forward most to joining a group that has the same kind of missional mindset that I tend to have. I love the fact that I'm being supported by a group to help me do the best I can to take care of my patients and their families. I study very hard to make sure I understand the science behind how we get patients back to health. Although I acknowledge the part that I play in terms of helping others to get better, it's very important that I keep at center stage the fact that I truly believe that God is the one doing the healing. And because of that, I think being open to this and seeing this is what allows me to take better care of patients overall.